Big news for Samsung fans. The wait is finally over. Samsung's Android 16-based One UI 8 is rolling out, and the latest phones joining the party are the Galaxy Wide 8 and the Galaxy A35. If you haven't received that update notification yet, stick around. We've got all the details you need. Let's start with the Galaxy Wide 8, which is now getting the stable One UI 8 update in South Korea, identified by firmware version MM166SKU3BYI8. But here's something interesting. Outside South Korea, this same phone goes by other names, the Galaxy M16 and the Galaxy F16. That means users of those models could see their One UI 8 rollout begin any moment now. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A35 has officially joined the update wave in Iran. Its stable build carries the firmware version A356EXX-U5CYI8/A356OJMCYI8. This rollout marks another key milestone in Samsung's global update campaign, proving that mid-range devices aren't being left behind. So, what's new with One UI 8? You'll notice a cleaner interface, faster animations, and smarter AI-driven enhancements powered by Android 16. Samsung's focus here is refinement, a smoother experience, deeper personalization, and tighter integration with Galaxy AI features. Everything feels more fluid, from multitasking to battery management, making your Galaxy feel brand new. Haven't received the update yet? Don't worry, you can check manually by heading to Settings, Software Update, Download and Install. If it's available in your region, you'll see the option right there. Just make sure your phone's charged and backed up before you begin. With these updates rolling out, Samsung continues its commitment to timely software support, keeping even its budget and mid-range phones feeling fast, fresh, and future-ready. Whether you're rocking a Galaxy Wide 8, M16, F16, or A35, the One UI 8 experience is about to level up your device. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates as Samsung expands the rollout to new regions and devices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss the latest Galaxy news.